Visible, not visible.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है
बैठो बैठो बैठो
चलो तू बैठ जा मेरे साथ मुझे ना ये गुड वन
कैसा लगा सबको?
नाइस
एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक? वीडियो है ये।
I mean, as I said, कि स्कूल डेज वापस आ गया. ऐसा कोई जगह जहाँ हम कुछ एजेंडा लेके नहीं आए थे. We just spoke. We just knew each other. Their way of leading the life, their dreams, what they have left, they want to continue, things like that. So, बिना एजेंडे का सिर्फ हम एक दूसरे को जाने आज.
where we could be ourselves.
And also we get closer to ourselves by writing down, what we are looking for. So that made us closer to, what we really want.
You get the opportunity to
Think about
express
yourself.
yourself and you get a tonic to live the life more better way and understand why life is more important than the other things. Don't just run behind the money.
Also,
Live the
like we
life.
were like very present throughout. As
देवश्री
Yeah,
वीडियो
slow
में
down.
आ रही हो फोन चलाते हुए। हाँ सॉरी ये बस
Yeah, I was just saying that we were very present. Like there were no thoughts of any other thing was going on. So it was like very interactive, and we were all very much occupied in this session. It was not like okay fine I have to go there this that. So that thing was actually not there.
And I was just telling Shweta, लास्ट टाइम मुझे याद नहीं है कब मेरा फ़ोन मैंने रिसीव नहीं किया किसी का कॉल मिस किया बट आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम एवर आई मिस्ड माई डॉटर्स कॉल माई फ्रेंड्स कॉल वर जस्ट कॉलिंग मी माई फोन वॉज साइलेंट फ्रॉम लाइक 2 o'clock maybe 3 o'clock onwards and now it's like 8:30 I've not used my phone
हाउ डज इट फील?
जैसे बचपन में हम लोग रेडियो सुन के अपना समय बिताया जस्ट लाइक दैट
And also it was a good listening session, where sometimes you feel that when someone is saying that you have to speak up your mind or tell something to someone. So I mean that's not with everyone, but at times it happens that you tend to say that this that. So it was a good listening episode for me that I was just trying to listen. I was just trying to question, but not saying okay fine you can do this and do that. So I think that was a good part, and I realized the importance so that the other person can open up.
The space you
Yeah.
give to the other person to speak as well, right? Yeah.
Any passing thoughts? Final thoughts? Say hi.
Keep organizing.
Keep organizing. Okay.
Yes.
Come for
Alright.
pausing your life for at least 3 hours.
I think
rather than
people
Scroll
save
down.
money to get gold or something, but I think I'll save my time from now on to come again to the knowing room because I think this is the very first step that I've taken after my subject, what I have discussed, but this is the very first time I've taken step for myself, thinking only giving time to myself and just sit again after my school days maybe. So yeah, thanks. Thank you to this girl. And thank you to you. So pushing me hard like this. Coming here, I think from couple of months only, I was just thinking, but she's the one who pushed me. Chalo.
All
I
right.
was quite clueless, but when I came here, I just felt what I was expecting. I got more than that. It was a very good space where you can be yourself. So it was nice.
Talking about space, Nilesh, thank you for having us here.
It's actually so nice.
Yeah.
Always welcome.
जो यहाँ का comfort है, at least he would know he came to the cafe session before, so he told me कि कैसा कितना ज़्यादा comfortable लग रहा है, so thank you for that. So bye, hi सारी चीज़ें.
This is a comforting space actually, and these two are मतलब जो पिछली बार मैं आई थी ना यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है ये दोनों सब वही बातें बोल रही थी जो मैं पिछले बार बोल रही थी.
All right, with that,
Bye.
bye.